everyone, welcome to a new video of Horilla. In today's video, let's discuss about the performance dashboard. So Horilla offers a comprehensive dashboard that provides real-time insights into various HR metrics including performance. So this dashboard helps HR teams monitor employee performance, identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. So, with the performance dashboard, we can gain visual representations of the employee performance ratings for employee objectives and key results. And also, we can get a complete overview of the feedback that are provided and received by the employees. So, let's dig into it in detail. So, under the performance module, we have the dashboard. So, in the performance module of Horilla, we mainly deals with objectives, key results, and feedbacks. So, in the dashboard, we'll be able to get a quick overview of all those details. So, here we can see the total employee objectives, total key results, and total feedbacks and all. And when we create an objective and assign it to an employee, we have to track its status. So, we have different objective status such as on track, at risk, and not started. So, here we have an objective that is currently at risk. So, by clicking on the employee's name over here, we'll be able to view the details regarding that objective. So, this is the title, and here we have the description, start date, end date, and all. And we can view the status, that is, it is at risk. So, by viewing at this, we'll be able to make informed decisions based on that. So, like that, we can make use of the details that we can view in the performance dashboard. So, here we have the objective status. We have different objectives that are currently going on. So, we have the status of all those objectives over here. So, we'll be able to view the number of objectives that has not started yet and which is on track, and then we have which is at risk. So, we'll be able to view it in different visual representations. So, we have the pie chart, line, graph, bar chart, and all. So, we'll be able to view it in different views. And then we have the key result status. So, the key results that has not yet started and which are closed. So, like this, we'll be able to view the key result status from the performance dashboard itself. And then we have the feedback status over here. So, here also we'll be able to view the feedbacks that are on track, closed, and not started. And for the feedback status also, we have different views like the line chart, bar chart, donut, and all. Like this, we'll be able to have a visual representations of all the statuses that are currently going on. So this is all about the performance dashboard. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching.